So this is the box with all the names. I'm gonna turn it around so I can't see anything, even though they're all upside down. So I'm gonna just stick my hand in the box and pull out names. Here we go. Who is this? This is Tracy Hawthorne. I don't know, I think you want SB, and I'll see what else I'm gonna give you. SB means Scotch bonnet. Whenever I say SB, it's Scotch bonnet. What else? Let's see. This one is Merle Brown. Let's stick my hand in there again. Who is this? This is Michelle Swanson. I hope I'm saying your names right. Nakita. Hope I'm pronouncing your name right. It's spelled a little differently from most others. Here's I'm getting another one here. This is Juliana Colombo, I think. That's, how much is that? 5? That's 5. So one more. Caribbean Girl. So there you go. 6 names. There are some names, 2 names I didn't put in. They didn't say they want seeds, but Miss Joyce and Lawrence are people that I know and I'm in touch with, so, you know, we'll talk to them. They didn't ask for seeds, actually. There you go. So the winners are Michelle Swanson, Nikita, Millie Brown, Tracy Hawthorne. That name rings a bell. I think she contacted me on Facebook before. On Caribbean Girl, and Juliana Colombo. Those are the winners of the seed giveaway for October 2023. You guys have to call. I have a Google voicemail number, sorry. And it's 917-818-0493. If you call that number, you won't get me, but you can leave a message. It will come into my phone, okay? Leave a message. I need to get your address and your proper names so I can mail you these seeds, okay? It will go out sometime late next week. They will go out late next week. I have to get some stamps. And whatever seeds you ask for, those are the ones I will be sending you, all right? What else? No, at the end, this giveaway is just for these people. Anybody else want seed? I'm gonna put a link to my my Etsy channel underneath this video. So if you want seeds, you didn't win and you want seeds, you can go and order seeds. Some of the seeds I was giving away, I don't have them on my Etsy store. So this is a look at my Etsy store, pictures of it. It's called Jamaican Garden. I'm not selling a lot of items, just a few items, you know. So, you know, if you have never been there and you miss it, you can go there and find it, Jamaican Garden. And coming up, I'm putting the Google voicemail number so you can find it, okay? Thanks for watching. These are just stuff that I have, okay? What else? And this is open until another 5 days. So this is Friday. So let me count: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By Wednesday I should hear from you guys. Should hear from you by Wednesday, or you know, after that it's over. Because I want to mail them out. Let me hear from you by Wednesday, and just send me the information, address, and your proper name, so I can mail out your seeds. And hopefully you're all in the US, because I don't have stamps to mail overseas. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you're listening this video, everybody who won should be subscribed to my channel. I really didn't check yet, but if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Coming up with another video next week. Very interesting. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'm happy you guys won. And next time, for the other people next time. Okay. Bye bye.